Now we begin with question number 7. R is the relation of all ordered pairs A comma B such that the absolute value or the difference of A and B is even. Have to show this is an equivalence relation, means this is reflexive, this is symmetric, this is transitive, hence the relation will become an equivalence relation. That you have to check. And then show that all the elements, second part, that all the elements in this set are related to each other and all the elements in the other set 2, 4 are related to each other, but no elements here is related to all elements here. So that is the second part. Your set A given to you is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means here is the arrow diagram for it. Here is set A having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is your set A having the arrow diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the relation is like this, that the difference of the two elements should be even. This is a basic thing. Even minus even gives you an even number, okay, and second, odd minus odd also gives you an even number. So you have to take the pairing like this, 1 with 1, that is 0 number. The difference of 1 and 1 is 0. Difference of 3 and 3 is 0. Difference of 5 and 5 is 0. Also difference of 4 comma 4 is 0. Difference of 2 comma 2 is 0. So that means, is the relation reflexive? Is the relation reflexive? That is, the relation R is consisting of all these ordered pairs A comma A for all A belonging to A, because A minus A is 0, which is even number. So yes, the relation is reflexive. Yes, the relation is reflexive. Second thing, as I discussed it here, even minus even is always even, odd minus odd is also even. So you will have the relation R of this type. 1 with 1 is even, 1 with 3 is even, 1 with 5 is even, and the reverse orders, that is 1 with 1, 1 with 3, 1 with 5, reverse them now, 3 comma 1, 5 comma 1, they all are giving you the even number. Take the next even, 3 with 3, 3 with 5, reverse them, 5 with 3, so that is also an even number. Take the number 5 with 5, that is an even number, and all reverse have been done. Similarly, we will have not only this, not ending, 2 with 2, 2 with 4, reverse this number, 4 comma 2, even number, 4 with 4. So this is your set R. In actuality, this is the roster form, this is the set builder form, right? Here A and B belongs to capital A. So is the relation symmetric? Yes, the relation is symmetric. Third thing, transitivity, that if A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, so A comma C must also belongs to R. Think of any pair here, say 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, so 1 comma 1 belongs to R, 3 comma 5, 5 comma 3, so 3 comma 3 belongs to R. This is happening for all these numbers. For example, 4 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 4 is also belonging to R. At the same time, 4 comma 4 is belonging to R. So this is happening for all A, B, C belonging to R, and B belongs to C. B and C order pair belongs to R implies that AC belongs to R. Hence, the relation is symmetric as well as transitive. Now take the second part of it. So this is called equivalence class of the number 1, which is consisting of elements 1, 3, 5. Because take any two elements, the difference is always going to be an even number. Similarly, the other class of even numbers, take any two numbers and the difference is also an even number. Therefore, we call that the whole set is divided into two mutually disjoint equivalence classes. Mutually disjoint equivalence classes. Mutually disjoint equivalence classes such that all elements which belongs to this equivalence class are related to each other. Also, all elements here, say A belongs to R, all elements B belonging to this set 2 are related to each other. Related to each other only. No element here belongs to this set, and at the same time no elements here belongs to this set. Hence we end this question. Okay.